Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Jolly Kitchen. My name is Kiet, and today we are going to learn how to make the red lotus with smoked trout. If you want to know how to make, please stay tuned. I got lucky yesterday. I went to the local market, the weekend market on Sunday at the Woodridge. It's about half an hour drive from my place. So usually they sell a lot of like fresh vegetables. So I pick up these 2 bunches of red lotus. It's kind of like flashback my memory when I was younger. So this red lotus you can find in a freshwater pond. So it's a huge lake or pond. A large body of water. There will be a bunch of the red lotus shooting up. Today I'm going to use the stem from this lotus. We are going to use as the main part of our cooking today. So once you got it, you're going to peel the skin off just like this. It's super easy. You can use a knife or you can just pick it up by hand. And it's like a skin that protected the stem from the fish or the sea animal to eat it. And we're going to remove that because I don't think it's really pleasant to chew those. And then we're going to cut into the bite side. You can use the petals from the lotus flower like this. It has a slightly bitter taste. And if you don't want to use as a whole, just pick up the petals. And the next ingredient I will be adding to the dish is the smoked trout. And this is because it's a buy the convenient. I was originally planned to use with salted fish, but I think I ran out of stock, so I'm going to use the smoked trout instead. Or you can use the short mackerel. This is very popular in Thailand to use a short mackerel. So we've got what we needed today. So the smoked trout, we've got the stem from the red lotus, and now we're going to move on to the next part where I will be showing you how to prepare it. And the first thing I'm going to do is to heat up the water. Let's bring it to boil and then just add the stem of the lotus that we prepared earlier. Now, why do I have to do this step? It's because when you cook the lotus, it has a very strong purple color. So once it releases the water, it's going to make your curry looks purple. I don't think anyone would want to eat that purple curry, so it's a bit unusual. So the reason behind that, so that's why I'm going to cook in the hot water first, so just to get rid of the excess of the water in the lotus root and to get rid of the color that I don't want it in my curry. And we're going to have a quick look at the seasoning we're going to use today. First we have the red curry paste, and then we have sugar, tamarind paste, and then the fish sauce and the smoked trout. Again, here I can show you here is a purple water that we don't want. We're going to rinse it. Now, next step, I'm going to start making the fragrance, the curry paste. So just turn the heat up to medium. Add a little dash of the coconut milk here, and this step is rather important because we want to fragrance the chili paste to make it smell so nice, and it's great with the combination of the coconut cream. So you can get like best two in both worlds. Now, once it starts to dry up a little bit, I am going to add the rest of the coconut milk. In this step, I want to bring the coconut milk to boil, so it's get a little bit more extra creamy texture into the curry. So you know what I mean. I'm going to let it sit there, and once it starts bubbling, we are going to move on to the next step. And now I'm going to add the lotus stem in here. In this part, we are going to turn the heat down to low to medium, so it's kind of like a slow cook. It's breaking apart very easily if you cook in the high heat, so we're going to use the low to medium heat. To seasoning the dish is super easy. Add tamarind sauce. It's going to add the sourness into the dish, and then we are going to balance it with a little bit of sugar. You can use palm sugar, cane sugar is okay. And then I'm going to add the fish sauce. So 4 flavors we are looking for: the creamy texture, salty, sweet, and then a little bit of sourness into that. So it's a combination is going to make our curry super yummy. Now I'm going to start cooking a little bit longer and then add the smoked trout into the last step. The reason why I want to add smoked trout into the last step, because the fish is already cooked, it's smoked, so you don't want all the meat to go too mushy here. I like it super chunky pieces. Just do a little bit of gently stir, not too hard. And then I'm going to tear a couple leaves of kaffir lime leaves to add a little bit more fragrance on top of what I already have. This is the Red Lotus Curry with smoked trout. It's a lesser known dish than any other curry that you might have seen in a Thai cooking or any YouTuber have been done. So this is the Red Lotus. Seasonal ingredient just turned into the beautiful and yummy curry. Well guys, I hope you like what you see. I hope it inspires you to make your own curry. And if you want to support this channel, be sure to click the like button and subscribe. I hope to see you again next time. This is Jolly Kitchen with Kiet. Bye now.